In a hidden corner of history lies a manuscript known as the 1357 manuscript, suggesting that our understanding of the past has been manipulated to obscure the existence of a once mighty civilization known as Tartaria. As the researcher delves deeper into its pages, he discovers evidence of advanced technologies and cultures that were mysteriously erased from mainstream history, igniting a quest for truth. This ancient civilization, with its remarkable achievements and expansive empire, challenges everything we know, prompting a thrilling investigation into the past and the forces that sought to bury it. With every revelation, the researcher stumbles upon artifacts that could rewrite history, compelling him to question the motives behind the erasure and what it means for our understanding of culture and identity. As the narrative unfolds, the implications grow larger, suggesting that what we perceive as history may only be a shadow of the truth waiting to be uncovered. With newfound artifacts and undeniable evidence in hand, the researcher prepares to share his findings with the world, hoping to ignite a movement that re-examines everything we thought we knew. As the audience leans in and absorbs the revelations, a spark ignites a desire for deeper exploration, leading a new generation to seek out the secrets that lay beneath centuries of forgotten history. Inspired by the unfolding story of Tartaria, a passionate new wave of historians sets out on their own quests, determined to unearth more hidden truths that have been lost to time. As discoveries continue to surface globally, the community rallies together, fostering a new era of understanding that challenges the established narrative, igniting curiosity about the true legacy of Tartaria. This vibrant discourse not only enriches the understanding of past civilizations, but also reshapes perspectives on how ancient innovations could influence contemporary life and technology. The revival of interest in Tartarian technology sparks creative thinking, leading to a fusion of ancient wisdom with modern advancements, paving the way for groundbreaking developments.